focus on the basics and not really rush the obedience. A lot of people want dogs that sit down, stay, and come really early on when they really should be focusing on building focus, building engagement, building drive in that dog, and building confidence. And when you focus on these things and you make that your primary focus, you end up with a dog that has the ability to focus on you and engage with you regardless of the environment that you're in. Even if they understand how to come, for example, without being able to engage with you and pay attention to you in a new environment or a distracting environment or in public, it's not going to matter what they know. So don't really rush into the obedience as much as you focus on the basics and just building engagement with that dog, making that training a fun concept rather than trying to make sure and just hammer in all the repetitions with that dog.